How to insert pages into a PDF. Click the Insert button in the toolbar to access all insert options. First, choose from File to insert a page, anywhere in your PDF. Next, use from image. Just click Insert and you're done. You can also add a blank page. Or insert content from Clipboard. It's quick and easy. Interleaving Insert is also supported. Just choose the method that fits your needs. In addition, place your mouse in the middle of a page. And click the plus icon to insert directly. Finally, you can also click the 3 dots in the thumbnail view to insert a page from there. Ready to try it out? Download UPDF for free now.